Hello and welcome back to SEO Science. In today's video, we're going to deep dive into a topic that every business owner and marketer should be excited about: how to increase your customers tenfold using SEO. We're going to show you the strategies and techniques that can take your customer acquisition to the next level. So grab your notepads and let's get into it. The power of SEO. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's quickly recap why SEO is crucial for your business. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. When your website ranks higher in search results, it gets more organic traffic, which means more potential customers. The benefits of SEO: increased organic traffic, higher search engine rankings, enhanced brand credibility, cost-effective marketing. Understanding keywords. The foundation of SEO is keywords. You need to understand what your target audience is searching for online. And here's how to do it. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords in your niche. Long tail keywords. Focus on long tail keywords that are specific to your business. These have less competition and higher conversion potential. Competitor analysis. Analyze your competitors' keywords to find opportunities. On-page SEO. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your website for them. On-page SEO involves making changes directly on your website. Title tags. Ensure that each page has a unique, keyword-rich title tag. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions to entice users to click through. Keyword placement. Place keywords strategically in your content, headers and URLs. High-quality content. Create valuable, informative and engaging content that satisfies user intent. Internal linking. Link relevant pages within your website to improve navigation and user experience. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO focuses on activities outside your website that can boost your search engine results and customer acquisition. Backlinks. Acquire high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your industry. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for reputable blogs and include links to your site. Social media. Maintain an active presence on social media platforms to drive traffic and engagement. Online reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business. Technical SEO. Technical SEO ensures that your website is technically sound and easily accessible to search engines. Site speed. Optimize your website for fast loading times, as slow sites can lead to higher bounce rates. Mobile optimization. Ensure that your website is mobile friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Structured data. Implement structured data markup to enhance search results with rich snippets. XML sitemaps. Create and submit XML sitemaps to help search engines crawl your site efficiently. Local SEO. If your business serves a local audience, local SEO is essential for attracting nearby customers. Google My Business. Claim and optimize your GMB listing with accurate information and photos. Local citations. Ensure that your business information is consistent across all directories. Local content. Create content relevant to your local audience, including location-specific keywords. Monitoring and analytics. Once you've implemented the previous 3 strategies, it's crucial to monitor your progress and make data-driven decisions. Google Analytics. Track your website traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Rank tracking tools. Monitor keyword rankings to gauge SEO performance. Conversion tracking. Set up goals and track conversions to measure ROI. Staying updated. SEO is constantly evolving, so staying updated is essential. Follow SEO blogs. Keep up with industry news and algorithm updates by following reputable SEO blogs. Online courses. Consider taking online courses or attending webinars to deepen your knowledge. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide in how to increase your customers tenfold, all by using SEO. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, so be patient and persistent with your efforts. If you found this video helpful, please give it the old thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.